Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the pectins and degree of methylations. Mainly the pectins are the carbohydrates which are soluble to IT fibers and they are present in the cell walls of the fruits and vegetables. These pectins play vital roles for giving the structures to the plants and they are responsible for firmness in the plant body. And similarly the pectins are widely used in the food industry as a gelling agent, thickness and the stabilizers. It is used for cooking purpose, particularly for making jam, jellies, preserves and food-based products. Here are some of the key points regarding the pectins. Structurally, the pectins are composed of long chains of the sugar molecules, primarily galactonic acids, which are linked together. And the structure of the pectins varied based on the source and which overall affect the gelling properties. The gelling property is the important characteristics of the pectins, in which these are used to create gels in jams and jellies. When these are heated with the sugars and the acid, the pectin molecules interact with forming the network with trapping the water molecules, thereby creating the thickening role with forming the gel-like consistency. The main source of the pectins are fruits and vegetables, and mainly in fruits they are present at a higher level, like citrus fruits, orange, lemons, apples are some of the major source. Similarly, the health benefits of the pectins is associated with as a dietary fiber. It helps in regulate the digestions by adding the bulk to the stool, supporting with the movement through the digestive tract. Additionally, these are used to contribute for lowering the cholesterol levels in the body with stabilizing the blood sugar level. The commercial use of pectin, mainly beside in food processing, these are also used in pharmaceuticals and cosmetic industry as a stabilizers and thickening agent. Mainly the pectins are classified as per the degree of methylation, which is the degree of methylations, in which that is the number of methyl groups attached to the pectin structure. The degree of methylation significantly affects the gelling properties and behavior of the pectins for various applications such as in food products like jam, jellies and other food products. The pectins are mainly classified based on the degree of methylations, that is high methoxypectins, HM pectin. This contains relatively high number of methyl groups attached to the structures, and high methoxypectins requires the presence of acids and the sugar for the gel formations. These acids mainly help to break down the pectin molecules and expose the sites where the sugars and the pectins can interact to form the gel. Commonly used in traditional jams and jelly recipes where sufficient sugars and the acids are required for forming the gel. And next one is low methoxypectin. Low methoxypectins. One thing is that the high degree of methylations, the degree of methylations is around 50 to 70%. Similarly, in low methoxypectins, the degree of methylations is less than 50%, in which a low number of methyl groups are attached in the pectin molecules. Thereby, these are less likely to form gel in the presence of acids and the sugar. Like in low methoxypectins, it requires the presence of calcium ions in addition to sugar to form the gel, and calcium ions mainly cross-link with the pectin molecules and contribute in the gel formation. Low methoxypectins mainly is a good recipe for use with reducing the requirements of sugar content with achieving a softer gel structures. Also, it allows for gelling without high sugar concentrations. Therefore, the degree of methylations affect the ability of pectins to form the gel network, because methyl groups can block or hinder the interactions between the pectin molecules. High degree of methylations results in the pectin molecules that are less likely to interact and form a strong gel network, whereas low degree of methylations allow for more interactions and strong gelling capabilities. And the next one is the amidated pectins, in which which are modified to withstand the higher temperatures under acidic conditions, and mainly these are suitable for the industrial applications. When using the pectins in cooking or food processing, it is important to choose the appropriate types of pectin based on the desired outcome. High methoxyl pectins is suitable for the recipe with adequate sugar and the acid levels, whereas low methoxyl pectins is preferred with low sugar contents, but calcium ions are required for gel formations. I hope this video is very much helpful for the study. Thank you.